Most people use ChatGPT for advice, business ideas, feedback, and they walk away feeling amazing. Here's the problem. It's a yes man. It agrees to everything, and you feel phenomenal. But the problem is, it doesn't poke holes in anything. Weak ideas sound brilliant, half-baked plans feel validated, and when nobody pushes back, you stay comfortable. The thing is, ChatGPT is designed to be helpful, which is great. It's designed to be encouraging, which truly I do love. And it does make for a great user experience, but it doesn't always make for great thinking. For example, let's say that you tell it you're going to launch a generic water bottle brand. It'll immediately start giving you marketing plans, growth hacks, brand ideas. Problem is, it's not going to ask you, is the market saturated? Why would anybody switch to your water bottle brand? Are the margins realistic? So you feel confident, but all of your blind spots stay hidden because nobody's asking the hard questions. So how to fix that? You change the instructions. Stop asking, what do you think? And start saying, be my ruthless mentor. If my ideas are trash, tell me that. Tell me why they're trash. Poke holes in them. Stress test everything so that it's bulletproof. Now the tone changes. It questions your margins, it challenges your differentiation, and it pokes holes in your timeline. That friction, that is where the growth happens. So here's how you do it. Go to your settings, go down to personalization, and in the custom instructions, write, be my ruthless mentor. If my ideas are trash, tell me why. You need to stress test everything and get things to the point where it's bulletproof. With those changes, every conversation starts with stress testing rather than a cheerleader. Although, if you know me a little bit, you do know that I love a cheerleader. ChatGPT really becomes powerful when it stops simply just giving you praise and starts giving you constructive criticism. Sometimes it's hard to hear, but it does have some solid points. If you want more ways to use AI as a serious growth partner, be sure to hit subscribe. I'll see you soon.